Hey people, so keeping by the thing, by my general of reviews of Netflix shows, there's this show called Selling Sunset. Oh my god, it's a reality TV series about these real estate agents in Sunset Boulevard, LA, or yeah, that's what, Los Angeles and all. So it's about, it follows their lives on how they go about finding clients and showing them these palatial houses and how they make a sale and all. So I feel watching such reality TV opens our mind to just how huge the world actually is. I mean, those of us who live in Indian cities and wherever, whichever part of the world, it's only after watching such reality TV you realize that, oh my god, ऐसी भी जिंदगी है. I mean, life is like this also elsewhere. So Selling Sunset, it's called, and you can find it on Netflix, and it is such an interesting show to watch. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.